Hello, I'm Alexander Chismich with GDS, and this is the new 1 to 60 mm version of our Shark 5-jaw chuck. The body of the chuck pulls back as the jaw closes, while the jaws maintain their position relative to the workhead. The chuck automatically grips any diameter within that range, and a relief in the jaws allows to overgrip a fixture on the shank, like the driver on medical tools, for example. So this is easy to program. Let us know if you have any questions and come and see us at IMTS.
I put it in my baggage.
Okay, the luggage is packed with me. Now, we see you in Chicago. I go on a long trip. Say bye-bye and see you in Chicago.